Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today's question sent in to us was, hey RVW, how do I handle a breakdown when I'm on the road? This one kind of firsthand we had experience with when we went out west last summer for 2 weeks. We had one motorhome with us, a used older motorhome that had a lot of problems, right? Believe it or not, the front door fell off the thing, right? So they needed repairs on the road, and we were able to use our nationwide service network to take care of those repairs. And it's a really cool thing. We've been in business for almost 25 years, and since we started selling out of the state of Ohio, every time a customer buys, no matter where they're at, we locate at least one service center, normally more, that can take care of them. So we know that every customer is going to be taken care of, all your stuff's going to be fixed. Now the cool thing is, through the years, if you total those up, we're over 2,500 now, service centers, repair places, even RV dealers that do service work for our customers. So you're out on the road, you have a breakdown, you call us, we'll find the nearest service center we have to you and get you in there, get you fixed, and get you back on the road. Again, it's called our nationwide service network. We're the only dealer that has it. We're very proud of it, and it's something that our customers absolutely love. We also have the RVW bill pay that will then pay the bill for you if the service center or the dealer wouldn't do it under warranty, so you're not any money out of pocket. And again, something we offer to all of our customers. It's free, it's included in your purchase price, doesn't cost you a thing. If you have more questions about our nationwide service network, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Please follow us on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a lot more videos just like this one.